Everything begins with an idea. And so it was in 1976 when EHP was the first to develop the concept of weighing large objects electronically using crane scales. Precision and reliability are essential to ensure that things run smoothly. And whilst a new series is currently in production, hundreds of EHP crane scales continue to prove themselves in daily practice. For example, in the smelting works of the Schlumann-Siemag foundry. This 30-ton version is doing its job next to molten metal at a temperature of approximately 1400 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its zero-fault casting record, this investment in an EHP scale has paid for itself many times over. Its reliability in measuring all alloy additives accurately and repeatedly ensures the highest quality and economic production. Weighing data can also be transmitted by UHF radio signals to an additional digital display. Before being assembled, the temperature resistance of EHP electronics are specially tested in variable temperature ovens. EHP manufactures not only hardware, but also develops specialized software. Before delivery, each individual unit is subjected to rigorous testing and the results recorded. EHP offers different crane scales to cater for all types of weighing applications, from heavy-duty foundry work to general commercial requirements. The robust design guarantees repeatability and the highest accuracy. As an option, OIML and weights and measures approved scales are available. Patented cross-beam scales for weighing long materials round off the product range. A cross-beam can be used without any major constructional alterations. The Escher-Wyss company, a member of the Sulzer Group, is famous for highly complex technical installations. The company uses, amongst others, a 50-ton EHP weighing machine. The digital crane scale, integrated into the crane hook assembly, uses the most modern electronics to solve 3 problems simultaneously: lifting, transporting and weighing. The principle of the EHP electronic weighing machine supersedes all conventional weighing methods. Futuristic technology, making weighing even more precise and integrating it into production processes. The robust construction of EHP scales means they're able to withstand the toughest continuous operations at Escher-Wyss, while providing the accuracy essential in today's expensive production. This is guaranteed by our in-house regularly calibrated testing units of up to 50 tons capacity. Our own calibration facilities allow us to calibrate customer scales at the point of sale and perform repeat tests during future years. Since 1976, EHP crane scales have been used the world over by companies who pride themselves on employing only the best equipment available. For example, the BMW works in Dingolfing, one of the most modern automotive plants in Europe. Every day, 20,000 workers here produce some 1,200 cars, requiring some 12,000 tons of sheet metal every month. EHP crane scales help them to save an enormous amount of time. By means of teledata, measured data are transmitted by UHF radio and further processed. At the touch of a button, the indicated weights and other information are printed out. The telebox also displays UHF radio transmitted digital information. Both units provide output interfaces to in-house computers. From cars to aircraft. At MBB Hamburg, EHP crane scales are used to determine the weights of Airbus fuselage sections. Via a handheld transmitter, the tare weight is immediately displayed. The speciality here is a double system employing two 5-ton scales. The weight of the load on each scale is transmitted by UHF radio and processed to display the gross weight. The heart of each EHP crane scale is the high-quality, hermetically sealed compression load cell, which is OIML approved and carries a 3-year warranty. EHP is the first manufacturer worldwide to produce electromechanical scales with Class 3 standard OIML. More and more companies are benefiting from the advantages, especially in their goods inward and sales departments. Where goods are sold exclusively by weight, the portable scales permit flexible on-the-spot weighing and help to save a huge amount of time. Extremely high accuracy, data transmission by UHF radio over long distances and clear displays make EHP scales indispensable tools. EHP, the best in the industrial world.